Have you ever wondered how to access all our videos at the couple clicks of a button? And one place where you can find them all without searching, without trying to remember?
First thing you do is just open up a Google page and then type in YouTube. Once you open YouTube, let's do a Google search just so everybody else can do it the same way. Open YouTube. Real easy. BARLEYANDHOPS. Barley and hops. And that'll be the first thing that pops up. So there you are. You're at the Barley and Hops homepage. Just click the very first one. Click Barley and Hops. And there's all the videos. Just click videos. You'll get every one of them. But if you're looking for the playlist, click playlist. See, I've got them broken down into linked video or like videos, mashed spirit washes. Each one of these are just topics, and you can scroll across and find the topic that best fits your desires. That's it.
We will keep on unlocking the mysteries of home distilling. Happy distilling.